At this location on the tour, you'll see the walls being assembled and placed onto the floor section. The next stage of construction would be the walls. This is the wall table jig right here. The walls are built in sections. The jig is built in 2 sections. At the far section is the preliminary stage. The wall studs are cut outside on the component saw, which cuts them to their exact length. They are brought in, laid out on the jig. Top and bottom plates are fastened. Any area that has a window or door opening, the studding is left out wide enough so that the window and door openings are pre-built at another table. They're carried across with the door or window header fastened to the king posts and dropped into the wall section. Once that is done, that floor section is brought forward on this jig. This jig has an air press on it that allows it to press the wall. Once it's square, we can then install the drywall board to 1/2 of that wall. The drywall is glued and screwed at that point in time, only to the one side. We leave one side of that wall open so that later on we can install it and get at the interior portion of the wall for nailing and fastening, and also for mechanical, so that we can install the electrical and plumbing from one side later on. You'll notice at the far end of the jig we have a roll of vapor barrier plastic. If your house is 62 feet long, your outside walls are 62 feet long, we can pull that plastic over the entire length of that wall section in one piece. No cuts, no slits. It makes an excellent vapor barrier system that cannot be achieved on any other type of construction, as they are typically vapor barriered room by room. Another crew will pick the walls out of this storage pit, take them across and install them on the awaiting floor section. This floor section is in progress. The 2 end walls are installed first, and then the long exterior wall is installed. So we have 3 sides in place here. So then all of the interior walls are then set in place and pin nailed. Once they're in place, then we bring in the last long wall section, which is the marriage wall. It's transported down and it is installed as a final piece